Welcome to Media Day for WRATH of Rakshasa, Six Flags Great America's newest coaster. It's a dive coaster, 96-degree drop, 5 inversions. It's the most inversions for any dive coaster out there. So record-breaking. So excited to see this finally going. Official opening date will be May 31st, so a week from Saturday. Oh, we ride in like an hour and a half. I'm like counting the minutes. I'm so excited. So yeah, welcome to Six Flags' newest coaster.
Stood in the middle here before it was poured and watched it cycle.
Yeah.
It's just different.
I can't believe just how close this is. This is surreal.
Yeah.
I love it.
I can't wait till the guests can all walk through here because I think they're just going to gawk at the whole thing and just stand.
It's just like I've never been this close. Like you can see the scale of it because you're so close to the track.
No doubt.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Totally unique for the park. And then I kind of like, there's not a lot of parks don't have a ride like this.
No.
A lot of parks.
No.
It's unique for this place, but unique for parks in general.
It is. Like we just came back from Epic Universe and like there's just, you don't get this close to any of their coasters there. You just don't. This is amazing.
Like this.
No. It was good. It was really good. We went on a good day.
Yeah, really?
Yeah. So we got to do quite a bit and there was like nobody there because it was after a week of very bad days. So it was very hit or miss, but it was nice. We enjoyed it. So we're big nerds.
What was highlight?
Nintendo World for sure. As an 80s kid, like it was like just the cherry on top. But you know, one day wasn't enough for sure. So we're going back next year.
Okay.
But yeah, this is going to be the highlight of our summer. Is this right here.
That's awesome.
I'm so excited. Yes. Oh my God. Yeah, we were I couldn't wait. We came Sunday.
Yeah.
Because so I could take some preliminary shots and just get kind of the lay of the land. It's just like watching it cycle. And as soon as I saw it cycle, I just ran. I was like, I just dropped everything and ran over because I was so excited to see it actually go.
I'm beaming this morning.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
I want sun on it, but
I know
it'll be there.
Tomorrow, definitely, for sure. But right now, like the stormy clouds are kind of fun.
Yeah.
So I'm excited.
That's true.
It kind of matches the whole theme for you. But
when we do some of the art and the animation, you do that like purposefully to make it look a little more ominous. And all.
So it actually matches very well.
Yeah, you're right.
How long was the whole process from the beginning?
This is a couple years.
Really?
Even like when we're getting to this point, we're kind of like, it's 2 years in the making.
Yeah.
That's it. You know, we were talking about
I can't believe it.
design options with B&M and different layouts and all that. Yeah, that's we were looking at that a couple years ago. So
that's wild.
Come to
I know. God,
it's really and this is, for me, in this role, it's first coaster. I'm like,
yeah, because I hadn't been here before Max Force opened, so like this is my first introduction to a new coaster in this park. It's amazing to see it come to life. I'm so ready. I get to ride today. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Like it's gonna take so long to get to 11:25.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was just like, oh man.
That's your spot? Okay.
Yeah, I know. I got the email Sunday. I was like, yes. Yeah. I was so excited because I was like, I didn't want to get my hopes up, but at the same time, I was also very extremely anxious. I can't wait.
You'll love it. It was a great experience.
Yeah.
And we got a little more to do. We said
it
was even late last night. Just
really,
we're gonna put it out like date official or say next week, and we're gonna say next Saturday.
Next Saturday, so May 31st.
A few more tweaks and all that.
That's
stuff.
so soon though. I like how quickly you guys got this up from the ground. Considering over a year ago there was nothing. It was Buccaneer Battle still.
That's it.
Yeah.
No doubt.
It's amazing.
Last.
Y'all booked it.
September. November when we
did the announcement.
Hole in the ground kind of thing like that.
Yeah.
First started digging foundations.
I can't believe it's standing here now. It's finally here. The time is now. I'm excited. Yay. Thank you for having us out today. I'll be here anytime.
Thank you for being here.
Absolutely. It's my pleasure. A preview of the merchandise and also some snack offerings that are coming to Demon Snacks. The shirts are awesome. So they have this one right here. I love the colors. And then they have a long sleeve, black and white, and then a short sleeve version as well for Rakshasa. That's awesome. I can't wait. I want to buy it all. Belt system that they have installed for this coaster. So it moves with your train car. They're only running one train right now, so it's not in operation, but once they are running all three trains, the conveyor belt system will time up for when your coaster car your coaster car comes back to the station. So it will move with you timing wise, which is awesome. As you can see, you cannot put a drink cup in there. There are no liquids. There is a bottle of water, but it's got a cap on it. Just so FYI, dump out your drink before you get on this ride. But yeah, it looks super cool. The only other ride I know of that uses the system is Yukon Striker. Forgot what park it's at, but that is the name of the ride. If you want to look it up on YouTube in action. But yeah, pretty cool. All right, here we go. Our first ride. And the sun came out just for us. No more rain. Woohoo! Harnesses are pretty comfortable. A little more squishy than next flights. Oh God. It's dodging looking at this hill. Oh man. I don't know. I don't know about this. It's too late now though.
That hill is scary.
Yeah. You're flat on your back. This is a steep hill. Oh no. Oh, I'm just gonna squish this down a little tighter. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, that's so fun. Fantastic ride. It was worth the wait.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, 4 thumbs up. Yay. Oh my God. I want to do it again. Oh. I'm going to do it again right now. Woo! Yay. First experience. That is something else. When it hangs you over the edge and you can't see anything but track, and it hangs you there, that's crazy. It's my first dive coaster and it was amazing. It's super fast. Feel the inversions. There's no brake runs, so you don't stop. You just go all the way through nonstop. And I can tell you, I got some motion sickness afterwards. So if you are prone to motion sickness, probably take a Dramamine, Bonine, whatever you take, because I can feel, I'm also very hungry, so that probably doesn't help. But fantastic coaster, great airtime upside down. You're upside down more than you're right side up on this thing. It's so good. It's so good. Sun came out right when we rode. It was perfect. So yeah, anyways, I think that about wraps up media day. It was a fantastic day. The rain finally went away and held off. So yay for that. But yeah, I can't wait for everybody to ride. Opens May 31st. Come and see it.